for about 5 to 8 years. And they made a whole bunch of movies, all pretty high budget. Yeah, but then they stopped making them after that.
When you are ready.
And so every day in
making noise of that
at
thing.
like 6 or 7 p.m. they play a movie.
Hey!
So you're only going to watch.
Oh, center, 3 hits. One, 2, 3. Popper's kneeling. Good, right side. Turn again, 3 on the center. 1, 2, 3. Popper's kneeling.
Nice.
Move up. Have you seen him go? I heard it. We're not 3 on the center. Give me 2 more shots on it. 3, perfect. Popper's kneeling. Drop bag. Good. Holster. Grab the kettlebell. Let's go. Load up. Right, there you go. Knock him down. Hit! 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 There you go, hit! Alright, last one!
Make it count.
Hit!
Nice.
Your face unload so clear. If you clear. Alright, let's go. Time! 10-10.
10-10.